Hi students, in this video, today onwards we are going to discuss about units and measurements. Units and measurement. Once again, I am explaining the topic. My dear students, today onwards we are going to start units and measurement. Here, three type I will be explain any topic in the three ways. First one is I will tell important points point by point. Second one is note. Note means important, no arguments we have to remember permanently. Third one is theory plus derivation. Whenever we can understand the important points and notes, note, N-O-T, note, then these two will be support to our concepts, theory as well as derivation. Now go for the point number 1. Internationally, accepted a reference standard is called unit Once again I am repeating this point, my dear students. Internationally accepted reference standard is called unit. This is the definition for the unit. Now point number 2. The units for base quantities are called fundamental units. Are called fundamental units or base units. Now underline this point. Fundamental units or base units. Okay, now the examples are, what are the examples? kg, second, meter. These are the examples for that one. Now point number 3. Dear students, this is the example. Length we are using the unit is meter. Time, for time, second. Next mass unit is kg. Once again I am repeating. For length unit is meter. For time unit is second. For mass unit is kg. That means meter, second, kg. We also called as fundamental units. The another name for fundamental units is base units. Therefore, kg, second, meter. Another unit is we also called as base units. I think you understood what is a unit, what is a unit, and also what is fundamental unit, what is base unit. Both are same. Now, point number 3. Point number 3. The units of the units of the units of all other physical quantities the units of all other physical quantities can be expressed as combination of combination of the base units combination of base units. Such units obtained for the derived quantities are called derived units. This is the underline point. Now, once again, what is our third point? My dear students, what is our third point? The units of all other physical quantities can be expressed as combination of the base units. Such units obtained for the derived quantities are called derived units. So what is the meaning for that? This one means the combination of these three units we also called as derived units. Example, velocity. What is the unit for velocity? Meter per second. So meter per second is the derived unit. Now only distance, what is the unit? Meter. So meter is a fundamental quantity as or base unit or fundamental unit. Now you understood what is the difference between fundamental unit or derived unit. Fundamental units only 3, but their combination gives derived units. Therefore, derived units are so many or infinity. I think you understood. Now, point number 4. Both the base units both the base units and derived units derived units is known as the system of units. The system of units. Now, once again, I am explaining this point, my dear students. Both the base units, the another name of base units is fundamental units, and also derived units. The derived units will be derived from the base units. These two units we called as system of units. Tell me, the base units and the derived units we called as system of units. Now, I can give an example here. Example. Base units slash fundamental units. What is that one? Meter, second, comma, kg. Whereas derived units, what is the derived units? Meter per second. Okay, next kg square, next second square, and so on. Now tell me, what is the system of units? System of units means these two, that means meter, next meter per second, next kg, next kg square, and so on. That means system of units means we will get base units and derived units. I think you understood what is about the fundamental units, what is about the derived units. Okay? Now we are going to discuss new concept, the international system of units. The international system of units. My dear students, today our next topic is the international system of units. Now go for the point by point. The base units for length the base units for length, mass, comma, time. In three system, in these system, are once again, the base units for length, mass, time in these system are, what is that one? CGS. CGS means centimeter, comma, gram, comma, second. Next, FPS means foot, comma, pound, comma, second. Now MKS. MKS. MKS means meter, comma, kilogram, comma, second. My dear students, once again I am repeating this concept. The base units are fundamental units for length, mass, time. In these systems are CGS system, FPS system and MKS system. For CGS system, centimeter, gram, second. FPS system, F means foot, P means pound, S means second. Here C means centimeter, G means gram, S means second. Here FPS means F means foot, P means pound, S means second. MKS means M means meter, K means kilogram, S means second. These are the international system of basic units. Now we are going to discuss about French. French for international system. International system of units, abbreviated as SI. Called system of international. My dear students, once again I am explaining French for international system or system of international, both are same. French for international system of units, abbreviated as SI. SI means system of international or international system. Okay, that means not only three. After that, our scientists once again derived some system of international. What are that? I am explaining one by one. That is point number 1. Length. Meter. Meter. M. Point number 2. Mass. Kilogram. Denoted by kg. Point number 3. Time. Second. Denoted by S. Fourth one. Electric current. Ampere. Denoted by A. Once again, point number 4. Electric current. Ampere. Denoted by A. Now, fifth one. thermodynamic temperature, thermodynamic temperature, thermodynamic temperature denoted by Kelvin, Kelvin denoted by a letter cap K. Now, sixth one, amount of substance, amount of substance, amount of substance, mole, denoted by mole, MOL. Now, point number 7, luminous intensity, luminous intensity, candela, candela, denoted by CD. My dear students, at first we have only 3 fundamental units, that is meter, kg, second. After that, we derive with the help of these three, we derive the derived units also. After scientists told that 3 are not sufficient, so we have to give minimum 7 fundamental units. What are that? The first one is equal to length, second one mass, third one time, fourth one is electric current, fifth one is equal to thermodynamic temperature, sixth one is amount of substance, seventh one is luminous intensity. Like that, our scientists, they are given to the public these 7 base units or fundamental units. Like that, these are the 7 base units or fundamental units. Next video we can discuss further. However, I hope you understood what is the base units or what is the fundamental units or what is the derived units and what is the system of international. However, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you. My dear students, today onwards, for every video I would like to give you a part 1, part 2 and so on. Even though chapter unit should be changed. What I mean to say, for the first unit, units and measurement, it will be gives suppose 30 parts, part 1, part 2, part 3 and so on. But second unit is units and dimensions. So unit is 2. But even though the part should be continue from part 31, part 32 and so on like that. So if you have any doubt, you can type in the YouTube as part 31 or part 15 like that. Whatever content you want, it will be shown by the YouTube so that it is to write the notes efficiently in your notes. However, my dear students, whatever I am giving, it is a very important notes and fundamental and basics. Please copy properly according to systematic only so that you will enhance your knowledge, you will get good marks. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.